Welcome to Cooking with Kakashi. I'm your host, Kakashi. It was easy. You guys know Choji, right? You know, big guy, rolls around, doesn't like to be called fat. Anyway, he asked me to make his favorite snack on this channel, which is barbecue chips. So we're gonna make some from scratch. Let's just get right into it. Alright, what we have here is a failure to communicate. Just kidding, it's a sack of potatoes. Yukon gold potatoes to be exact. It's gonna yield a crispy and sweet chip, perfect for barbecue. And what we got here is a good old-fashioned mandolin. Perfect for slicing your finger off. So be careful. Don't play around with this. Ow. What we're gonna do is open up this gap a little bit. So it's about a 1/16 of an inch. Then take your washed potatoes, cut them in half, and throw it in your mandolin's safety grip. Now let's slice. Look at these perfect slices. Then you're gonna take a large bowl and fill it with cold water. You're gonna set your bowl down. Here, put your potatoes in the water and lightly agitate them around. It's gonna wash off some of that starch so we get a crispier chip. And then take these and strain in a colander. And now we're gonna lay down a sheet of paper towels and dump on our potatoes. Then we just spread these guys out and then dry off the tops too. The drier these are, the crispier they get. Now, before we fry these, let's make our barbecue seasoning from scratch. Got a little bowl. Oh wait, Mom's calling. Hey, what's going on? This is the person that you're speaking to. In this bowl, we got a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of smoked paprika, quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. Just mix that up quick. You got barbecue seasoning. It smells just like a barbecue. All right, let's fry these bad boys up. Grab a pot, we're gonna throw in some peanut oil, and we're gonna heat that up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once we're up to temperature, we're gonna throw in our potatoes. Now the key to this is doing small batches. We're only gonna do a quarter of these. This keeps the oil at the temperature and ensures that the chips are crispy. Once these guys start turning golden brown, they're ready to take out. Throw these down on some paper towels, and let's add our barbecue seasoning while they're still hot. And now we just repeat. And there you go, Choji. Better appreciate your friend Kakashi making you chips. And these are just delightful. No more overly salty chips with ingredients you can't pronounce. Take a bag, throw your chips right in there. Or if you want to be more realistic, get about 5 chips in there. Fill the rest with air. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe. Hit the little bell. And as always, thank you.